Ready? Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is my style, my way of using the thin tape and the thick tape from BJJ Past 40. I'm going to use the thin tape, and what I want to do is reinforce this finger right here. So I'm going to take from my finger to my elbow, and that's a real good way to size it. You'll probably figure out your way because your fingers are skinnier or fatter, you know. But that seems to work out for me. Now, this is the joint I want to protect. That one right there is inflamed. So I'm going to put my thin tape and make a full circle above that. All right? And then I'm going to begin to do another circle, but then veer off and get on the underside of that knuckle. Okay? Then we're going to separate out that knuckle by going a full circle again and the beginnings of a circle, and then cross back onto the opposite side of the joint. Okay? Then I'm going to go flat, and that is the first portion. Okay? Now I'm going to use my thicker tape. This is a trick that I learned from a emergency room PA, a physician's assistant. Okay, that's about, I don't know, it's an 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and he calls this the sacrificial lamb. He says that, look, you're gonna have your tape start unraveling, so let's give it a sacrificial lamb. This piece of tape can go ahead and fall off, but when it does, the thin stuff will still be underneath. All right, so I've got my fat one on top of the thin, and I'm going to do it a second time. Okay, see how easily that tears. I love that part of this tape. All right, going to go around, make a circle like so. Okay, and now I've got a real good bend here in my joints, and I've got it really reinforced. And if that little tag starts to come off, well, that's fine. The other stuff will still be doing just fine. Okay, that's how I wrap my fingers.